Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how many campaigns do you actually need for Amazon ads. Let's get into it. Amazon sellers often ask, how many PPC campaigns do I need? The answer depends on multiple factors, including ad spend, product type, and business goals. Many sellers either run too few campaigns and miss out on growth opportunities or create too many without a clear structure, leading to inefficiencies. So today, let's break down the ideal campaign structure to maximize performance. For an account with a $30,000 monthly ad budget, a well-optimized structure typically consists of 30 to 100 campaigns. The reason for this range is that a strong PPC strategy requires a mix of different campaign types. At the foundation, each product should ideally have at least 5 campaigns. An auto campaign for ongoing keyword research, 2 manual research campaigns, one for keyword targeting with broad and phrase match, and another for expanded product and category targeting, and 2 performance-focused campaigns, a manual exact keyword campaign and a manual product targeting campaign. Beyond these, sponsored brand and sponsored display campaigns are essential for growing visibility and retargeting potential customers. For new product launches, single keyword exact match campaigns help identify which keywords drive the best performance. This setup ensures that each campaign serves a unique role and works together to improve sales efficiency. One common mistake sellers make is overloading campaigns with too many keywords, leading to keyword cannibalization. This means some keywords don't get enough budget to perform, while others waste ad spend without converting. Even a keyword that gets only 1 click without a sale shouldn't be automatically removed. It may convert on a second or third click. A well-structured campaign strategy ensures that each keyword gets enough data to make informed bid adjustments. Bid optimization is another critical factor in PPC success. If an ad group's average cost per click, CPC, is higher than what's profitable, bids need to be adjusted accordingly. Using bid ceilings helps control costs by ensuring bids don't exceed the maximum affordable CPC, keeping the account profitable while maintaining visibility. PPC campaigns should not only focus on driving paid traffic, but also improving overall account profitability. Sellers should track their organic to PPC ratio. If a product sells well organically, PPC reliance can be reduced. If a product frequently runs out of stock due to aggressive PPC spending, campaign adjustments are necessary to balance profitability and availability. Ultimately, the number of campaigns needed isn't about hitting a specific number, but about ensuring each campaign serves a clear purpose. Whether an account has 20 campaigns or 100, the key is structured optimization, continuous monitoring, and refining ad spend to achieve the best possible results. For sellers looking to improve PPC performance, analyzing campaign structures and making data-driven optimizations is crucial. If you need professional PPC management to ensure your campaigns are running at peak efficiency, contact us today. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.